Hello guys, today I will be making cabbage. I was inspired by Belove's recipe, but I'm not going to exactly follow a recipe. I'm going to add my little twist on it, and these are all the ingredients I will be using. In this recipe, I will use only one cabbage, and I'm not going to add any meat in my recipe because I like to have my meat on the side, and I also don't like smoked turkey leg. I prefer beef or chicken on the side. I am also not going to add any sugar in this recipe because to me cabbage is already sweet and I don't need more sugar. I will also make this recipe with beef broth and balsamic vinegar. Here I'm just removing all the outer layers of the cabbage. I believe my knife was too small because I was having difficulties cutting this cabbage, and if you also like, you can buy already pre-cut cabbage. You can also cut this cabbage as small or as big as you wish. Just make sure not to include the core of the cabbage. You need to throw that away. I believe this recipe is very good if you want to feed a cow, and if you buy them already pre-cut, it's going to be less work for you. I'm just going to wash them, and this is the result. I had a small pot, so. But the good thing with this is this vegetable, it's going to shrink. And now I'm just going to wash my mushrooms and add them in my pots. And I'm adding my beef broth, and you can see here it's shrinking already. These are just all my ingredients that I chopped. And I believe Beloved didn't add any celery, but I love celery. And you can see the cabbage shrinked even more. And you have to stir everything together. I also didn't want a lot of sauce from this recipe, so I used about 3/4 of the broth, because cabbage itself releases water, mushroom releases water, so I didn't need much. And now I'm just going to add all my dry ingredients like black pepper, cayenne pepper, also Beloved added powdered onion and powdered garlic, but I didn't feel the need to add all those dry ingredients because I already had them in the recipe. I wish I had smoked paprika, but I just had the regular paprika, so I just used what I had. I added garlic herbs instead of just regular garlic, and 1/4 of stick of butter. I had to add a little bit more broth. And my garlic. You can add all these ingredients according to your tastes. So you stir everything together. This recipe was so tasty. Please try it and let me know what you think of it. Thank you so much for watching. Please share, comment, like, and subscribe to my channel.